Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 2007. So let's start. Affluence and affluence. Affluence means the state of having a plentiful supply of wealth or material goods. यानी इसका मतलब है दौलत या मादी सामान की वाफिर फराहमी की हालत. Its synonyms are wealth, prosperity, opulence. Example sentences. Despite growing up in affluence, she valued simplicity and humility. Effluence. Effluence means the flow or emission of a liquid, gas or scent. यानी इसका मतलब है माया, गैस या खुशबू का इखराज. Its synonyms are emanation, discharge, outflow. Example sentences. The effluence of pollutants into the river had severe consequences for the local ecosystem. Rich and rich. This rich means a person who is unfortunate, miserable or pitiable. यानी इसका मतलब है वो शख्स जो कि बदकिस्मत, दुखी या काबिल रहम हो. Its synonyms are unfortunate, miserable, pitiable. Example sentences. The rich pleaded for help, his tattered clothes and gaunt face revealing the hardships he had endured. Rich. This rich means the involuntary action of attempting to vomit, usually accompanied by a gagging or a heaving sensation. यानी इसका मतलब है गैर इरादी तौर पर उल्टी करना या उल्टी आना. Its synonyms are gag, heave. Example sentences. The smell was so nauseating that she could not help but retch, even though she had not eaten anything. Euphemistic and eupoistic. Euphemistic means using a mild or indirect expression in place of a harsh or unpleasant one. यानी सख्त या नाखुशगवार अल्फाज की जगह हल्के या बिलवास्ता अल्फाज का इस्तेमाल. Its synonyms are indirect, inoffensive, polite. Example sentences. Instead of saying passed away, she used the euphemistic term left us. Eupoistic. It means characterized by elaborate and artificial language, often with excessive refinement or ornamentation. यानी इसका मतलब है वसी और मसनूई ज़ुबान की खसूसियत अक्सर ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा तदहीर या आराइश के साथ. Its synonyms are flowery, ornate, elaborate. Example sentences. The writer's eupoistic prose, filled with intricate metaphors, made the simple story seem overly complex. Amoral and immoral. Amoral means a lack of moral sense or not concerned with morality. Neither moral nor immoral. यानी इसका मतलब है अखलाकी एहसास की कमी या अखलाकियात से मुतालिक ना होना, जिसका अखलाकी या गैर अखलाकी से कोई ताल्लुक़ ना हो. Its synonyms are unprincipled, unconcerned with morals, non-moral. Example sentences. The artificial intelligence in the story was portrayed as amoral, making decisions based on logic without any ethical considerations. Immoral. Contrary to the accepted principles of morality, morally wrong or wicked. यानी अखलाकियात के कबूल शुद्दा उसूलों के ख़िलाफ़ या अखलाकी तौर पर गलत या बुरा. Its synonyms are unethical, sinful, corrupt. Example sentences. Cheating on exams is considered immoral as it goes against the principles of honesty and integrity. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.